Okay, everybody, welcome back to another video. Hope you can hear me because this engine's quite loud. I'm going to try and cook an oatcake on the engine. Now, cooking on the engine, we need to find the hottest part of the engine. Now, I've got a temperature gun which is calibrated, of course, and we need to find a nice warm spot in the engine. I'm sure any mechanics watching this will be like, oh, you need to put it here, you need to put it there, but that's just fine. The hottest point I can find is right near the turbo, and it's giving me about 60 degrees. So I've got my oatcake here, it's wrapped in foil. I'm going to put it there and we're going to see what happens. We're going to give it about 10 minutes. So I put it in, but I'm just going to grab the camera. I'm just going to come and show you where I put. I'm no mechanic, honest. So where we put it is literally sandwiched in there. I mean, if you are a mechanic, you know, do feel free to comment what that actual part actually is. Even though this is my own car. Excuse the state of the engine. It wasn't normally like that, honest. So I am going to give this 10 minutes. Let's give it till 1/2, because then that'll be 10. So we'll see what happens. Okay, we're back. So we've left it a good 10 minutes. I mean, maybe it's better sandwiched in there and then go for a big long drive for about 3 or 4 hours, and maybe it might be cooked. It's warm, but has it actually done anything? The answer is no. So my question is, where is the hottest part of the engine? Leave us a comment, because I'd like to know, and if we can get this to work, maybe it'll work. There are other videos out there where they've cooked food in engines before, but the engines nowadays are that bloody EU regulation safe that you can't do nothing with them. So, thanks for watching, and like I say, any mechanics out there, drop us a comment and we'll give it a bash. I'll see you next time.